Okay, so today. We did actually set fire to it when he tried to straighten it out. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on this 2005 Audi A4 Avant. So cosmetically it's not in the best condition, but mechanically it is sound. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to give it a nice wash, a deep wash, and we're going to give it a nice clay bar, and then we're going to give it a nice polish as well. So we're going to use some G3 and G6 cutting compound and hopefully get this baby shining again. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've clay barred the whole car and we've washed it as well, so it's nice and clean now, so it's ready to be buffed. So we've got the G3 and the G10 cutting compound, so we're going to go around the whole car and make it look nice and shiny. So there's a couple of scratches that we're not able to get out because they're too deep, but we can get the lighter scratches out, so let's get to it. so that's it for this video. We managed to get the A4 completely detailed. We didn't do the inside, but we did the outside. There's a couple of areas where we couldn't do because it was the scratches were too deep or it was rusty or something like that, but it definitely looks a lot better than what it did. So make sure you catch us on Instagram at GarboSUK. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and we will catch you in the next one.